When I first got to Weaver's Way Farms, I thought I finally landed my dream job. But then, I saw the tools they were using. Everything took so long to do. I had to find a way to help them, speed things up.
But how are we going to afford that?
It definitely would be hard to find a way to pay for the tractor. But I knew once Nina got her hands on it, she'd never want to turn back.
Sexy thing, you. I believe in miracles.
There's gonna be no more tilling by hand.
You sexy thing.
Give it a try.
Where did you come from, baby? How did you know I needed you?
Things couldn't be better. We're getting things done much faster. We'll be churning food out to our customers in no time. We've got a tractor.
We've got a tractor. We've got a tractor. We've got a tractor. We've got a tractor. We've got a tractor. We've got a tractor.
Our smoker's mama said you better shop around, so we took that advice and this is what we found. No longer all the toil preparing the soil. Time to turn the page, we're starting to farm in the new age.
We've got a tractor.
We've got a tractor.
We've got a tractor. We've got a tractor. We've got a tractor. We've got a tractor. We've got a tractor.